Levon wears his war wound like a crown. He calls his child Jesus, 'cause he likes a name. And he sends him to the finest school in town. Levon likes his money. He makes a lot, they say. Spends his days counting in a garage by the motorway. Oh, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today with the lovely and the talented Natasha. And take it down, BOOZHOO, sweetie.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show!
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, in keeping with the theme of the week.
What's that?
We're going to do one Anishinaabe grandfather teaching word a day. And today it's bravery. AAKWADE'EWIN. Bravery. AAKWADE'EWIN. And, to live in this world in a good way, to walk the red road, it takes Gitchi. AAKWADE'EWIN. It takes great bravery. To stand up when you know when something's right, even though it's not popular. It takes bravery. To risk, having your friends turn against you because they don't agree with you, but you know what you're saying is true. It takes AAKWADE'EWIN. Bravery. I don't know. Now I'm just kind of talking stupid. All right. Well, hey, I've got enough bravery to get out when I know I got nothing funny to say. So, hey, just want to say miigwech for watching. BOOZHOO!
Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast
About Ojibwe language.
and culture. I am Natasha.
And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Metawa. Oh,
Wah. That's pretty good.
yeah. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. Alvin Tostig has a son today, and he shall be a Levon, and he shall be a good man, and he shall be a Levon, in tradition with a family plan. And it shall be a Levon, and it shall be a good man. He shall be Levon.